Your gaze slowly drifted away from me. You were the one who broke the time we shared, yet you blamed it all on me. You found reasons to distance yourself from me. I can no longer enter your heart. The forest was your escape. You blamed me and walked away in the forest. You built a new family. You repeat the same pattern. You simply run off to yet another forest. If only the storm would shatter the trees. If only the lightning would rouse the river to rage. If only the driving rain would sweep you out to sea. You see nothing but yourself, a tiny small-minded man. The storm brought a clear. The storm brought a I am journeying to a new continent. My path is one of light. I am carving out a future for myself, for my own life. The storm brought a clear, bright dawn. You found reasons to distance yourself from me. I could no longer enter your heart. The forest was your escape. I am journeying to a new continent. My path is one of light. I am carving out a future for myself, for my own life. The storm brought a clear.